Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I will show you how you can download and install iPhone keyboard. We have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Green Apple keyboard. We have to use this application from the studio, from the Arvin App Studio. When the download is finished, you can open and click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher and tap OK 2 times, then just go back, click to switch input methods and switch to English United States keyboard, then tap finish. We can turn off this ad and take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard has changed. We get also here emojis, and as you can see, it's very simple. So I hope that I help you, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.